Make a great choice today with the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, trailering package, traction control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.